Health benefits of waking up early in the morning. 1. Boosts brain power. Waking up early keeps your mind fresh, improves focus, and increases memory. 2. Supports heart health. Early mornings help balance blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart problems. 3. Improves sleep quality. A regular early wake-up time fixes your body clock and helps you sleep deeper at night. 4. Helps control body weight. Early risers usually have a better metabolism, which helps prevent weight gain. 5. Strengthens the immune system. Morning sunlight and fresh air help your body fight diseases more effectively. 6. Reduces stress and anxiety. Morning light increases serotonin, the feel-good hormone, which improves mood. 7. Provides vitamin D. Exposure to early sunlight helps the body produce vitamin D for strong bones. 8. Increases daily energy. Starting the day early makes you feel active, positive, and energetic all day long.